Oh, I've never seen this before. Oh, the letters. Here. From John Cheever.
Oh.
Dear Henry, last night with you was bliss. I fear my orgasm has left me a cripple. I don't know how I shall ever get back to work. I love you madly, John. P.S. Loves the cabin.
Well, we really should be heading out. You know, it's a time.
The fox! My letters! Give me that! Who told you to open it?
Who's John? Who's John? I knew it!
John Cheever dead! You and John Cheever? Yes! Yes, he was the most wonderful person I've ever known. And I loved him deeply. In a way you could never understand.
Well, we really should be heading out. Jerry hates domestic coming attractions.
And because of the
time is what he's indicating there. Anyway, onward and upward.
All right, here we go. Let's go.
Come on now.
Right now.
Here we go.
You and me.
You got it.
No fooling. Okay.
All right, what do you got?
I got, you come in, you say hi, then I say hello.
All right, so we need something.
Yeah. How about this? I say, how's it going?
How's it going? Beautiful. Oh, come on, we were just on a roll now.
All right. Did you get that line?
How's it going?
Did you write it down?
I'm writing it. How's it going?
Real good!
What?
You know how much money you cost me today? $429.
What? How?
I got Sandra transferred to another office upstairs, okay? So she blabs to Lippman about my long-distance calls to Europe.
What calls?
Oh, I made a friend when I was in Europe, okay? And we've been in touch, and Sandra told Lippman.
Oh, did she say anything else to you?
Anything else? What do you mean anything else?
So she just left the office, didn't say a word to you about anything?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Why is that beautiful?
Oh, no, not beautiful.
It's $429.
Hey, look, I'm gonna pay for that.
No.
No, I insist. I was the one that encouraged you to fire her. The whole thing was all my fault. Smoke.
I want you to meet my new friends here. This is Luis, Jorge, and Humberto. Hey.
Huh, how you doing? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we're heading up to Westchester. Gonna hit the links.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, isn't that,
Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going. Vámonos, muchachos.
Hey, what are you reading?
Oh, The Falconer by John Cheever. It's really excellent.
John Cheever. You ever read any of his stuff?
Yeah, I'm familiar with some of it. All right, look, we gotta get back to work. We just had a big breakthrough here.
Okay, I'll leave you two alone. Maybe I'll go visit my mother. She just bought me some new panties and they're all laid out for me.
This whole talking during sex business, I mean, what are we doing here? The question is, does the talking really improve the sex, or is the sex act now just there to spice up the conversation? Of course, eventually I'm sure people will get tired of too lazy even for phone sex to start having phone machine sex, you know. Yeah, I want you really bad, just leave it on the table.